Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome to my home and happy Passover. Chag Pesach Sameach. I'm so excited to be getting ready for Passover. We are just 2 weeks away right now, real time. Hopefully I'll get this video up before the holiday begins. I want to show you guys everything I'm doing to get ready for Passover in my home. There is so much to do. I'm going to be hosting 2 Seders this year. We gotta get the house all clean and ready. We gotta go grocery shopping. We gotta unpack the giant Passover box. This is actually one of my favorite videos to film of the year because it is so helpful for me to have you here to help me get ready for Passover. So thank you for being here. If it's your first time, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom, and I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. If you hear some noises around my house, it is because there are lots of little ones around, but gotta take advantage of every minute when it comes to prepping for Passover, and my baby's napping, so let's go. We're gonna start by opening the Passover box, seeing what's inside, making sure I have, seeing what I got and seeing what I need to get from the grocery store, everything else. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so inside the box, I've actually taken out a few things already because I separated out a bunch of stuff for the kids' table. So I did a little post on my Instagram for PJ Library showing our kids' table for Passover. So I thought it was pretty cute. I would show you guys too. You guys have heard me talk about PJ Library all the time, but they send books if you're raising Jewish children for free each month to your home. And sometimes they're themed around the holiday. Sometimes they're just like Jewish values or whatnot. So I just put together this little kids table. We have this acrylic matzah box. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it says matzah on it. Can you see that? And then I just put out some little Passover things we had. Look at this pyramid. Isn't this cute? But mostly the kids' books. So I did already take out a few things. This is the box that the acrylic matzah came in. Okay, then let's see. We got the tablecloth. This is actually new this year from Target. It's inside out right now, so I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's this really pretty like sage green color. This is for my Seder plate. This is another matzah holder, and I know that because it says matzah on it. What else? I'll just show you kind of some of the big stuff. This is like, I have all the stuff that the kids made throughout the years. This is Max's tie-dye matzah cover from last year. Plates and dishes. More matzah covers. I know you guys are thinking like, could I have packed this box any more carelessly? Oh my goodness. You know what it is? Like the end of the holiday, you just like throw everything in. Here's another matzah cover. This one says Pesach on it. This actually is new this year as well. It's from your Ellie Vogel. She hand paints these. And then this is a matzah cover. I don't know if you can tell. Each of the 3 pieces of matzah go in. This is my Seder plate. Oh my goodness. I need to do a better job caring for all this beautiful Judaica. Haggadahs. Oh, this is my Haggadah I threw in here. Y'all know about this. I have this as a printable on Etsy. If you are looking for a Haggadah for your Seder this year, I spent the past few months making this, and it's a digital download you can purchase on my Etsy shop, and I absolutely love them. So I have a whole bunch printed out and in here. What else? Oh, this is hand crocheted table things from my grandma. Clearly I have a lot to go through, and I must please remind me at the end of this holiday to do a better job boxing it up. It's all perfectly fine and safe, but it could be better. So I think what I'm going to do is actually start with the table. I'm going to like take everything out that belongs on the table and sort of get the table starting to be set so I can tell if I need to get more plates or more dishes or serving pieces or whatnot. I probably have enough, but you know, just in case. I also got a few new dishes this year. I'd like to do separate dishes for Pesach. This is just a plain white one, but it's got this really pretty little like dot detail. Those are from Target, $5. Also from Target. I think I showed them in some Shabbat vlog or something, but I got these for Pesach as our like little side plates. Aren't these so pretty? These are $5 each at Target. I thought they'd go well with the tablecloth. Am I stalling? Yes. But I just love chatting about Passover with you guys. I got new vases. Basically, I chose my tablecloth and then I just purchased things to go around it. I also have some, look at this, pass that wine over. I have wine labels from Peace Love Light Shop. I'll link it below. I might even have a discount code for you guys. And basically, you just take them and put them on normal bottles of wine to make them special for Passover. This buffet, look at this. It's a mess. I've been just like emptying it out, and then I was like, you know what? I need to film this and not just make a huge mess. So I need to tidy this, set the table. Pesach, we're ready for you. Not yet, almost soon. So up first, I really just need to take all of our Shabbat stuff off the table and give it a good wipe down and clean. Make sure there's no crumbs or chametz around. And I will not be having Shabbat in the dining room for 2 weeks, but I think it'll make Passover that much more special. So I'm just wiping everything down, and then I'll start emptying out the box and putting on the tablecloth and the plates and getting it all set up and ready to go. I mentioned we'll also have a folding table, so I will get to that as well, and probably use some paper plates. I try to do a mix so that both tables are nice, but I set this one first and just, get inspired by the design and everything like that. By the way, I got a lot of questions about my flowers when I posted a photo of them that I used for some Passover styling I did, and they are actually half artificial, half real. The artificial ones are from Amazon, so I will link them below. They're really nice hydrangeas, I think. And all the stuff I mentioned that are from Target, I will try to link as well. And these are just some gold foil pyramids. I think I got them in the Days Unitas box a few years ago, but they're so cute. I thought they're perfect, like little table toppers. Okay, so here's what we have so far. I've basically put everything out on the table from the Passover box that I want to use. And I've realized a few things. One is that I have these pyramids, enough for everybody, so I definitely want to use these. The second is that I need more Haggadahs, which I knew, but I waiting to see like exactly how many people we're going to have, so I need to remember to print those. And then in terms of dishes, I do have probably enough for like the main table, but when it comes like closer to it, depending on people we have, we'll have like a second, like, not throwaway table, like just not a disposable table, like a, what's it called? A pop-up table? A card table? A folding table. We'll have a folding table, and we'll probably have some paper plates and stuff there because it just depends like how many people can come. So I'm very happy with this setup, and it kind of gives me like an idea in my mind, like what I need, what I got, and it's just all out there ready to go. So good with that. And now let's tackle the buffet of doom. It's become a cluttered mess. Okay, let's tackle it. So my buffet really just needed a clean out and organization. It mostly stores our alcohol and wine, as well as a lot of our Shabbat stuff and other Judaic items. So I have all my challah boards and challah covers there. I actually need to even go through this a little bit in more detail and like clear out some of that alcohol and stuff, but I wanted to just focus on getting all the plates and silverware and things that I bought for Passover out and on the table, get all the crumbs out and everything like that, wash everything. So I would say I did it 90%. I still need to go back and declutter a little bit further. And every time, it's like things just need to be decluttered. Every few months they get cluttered again. And after I've gone through the buffet and cleaned it out, I'm just spraying it down. I use Windex because it's like a glass buffet. And this is how it looks when it's all done. Gorgeous and shiny and ready for company. Okay, moving on to the car. So starting in my trunk. It's like really sunny out, by the way, so I like to check if the camera's on. I have an Atlas. I absolutely love it, and it's not too dirty because I try my best to keep the kids from eating in it, things like that, but oh my goodness, it gets dirty. But I'm just using my Dyson. This is the Dyson Animal, for anyone who's curious. The cordless one, I absolutely love it. We have 2 animals, as you know, who live in the house, so it gets a lot of use, and I think it's a really good vacuum. And it's great for cleaning out cars too. And then I'm just spraying the leather down, wiping the surfaces, doing all of that. Such a nice day. I think that's why I got in the mood to clean my car, even though obviously I should be focusing on the house. But it's so nice to have a clean car for the springtime. I'm excited. It's actually really traditional for especially religious Jewish families to clean their cars for Passover, because there's so many crumbs in the cars. Most people have them like professionally clean, you know, get all that hummus out. I might go to a car wash too. I'd actually love to get my car detailed, like just to get all those tiny little crumbs out. Because it's a new car, you know, I want to like take care of it. Anyways, I feel so much better now that that was taken care of. Chag Pesach Sameach. I am getting my home ready for Passover by cleaning it top to bottom, or as close as to that as I can get, with the little one rolling around back there. He's almost rolling all the way over, which is crazy. Anyways, back to Passover cleaning. So traditionally in Jewish homes, we clean our homes for Passover. Some people just clean their kitchen. Some people clean their car. Some people just take the opportunity to spring clean everything. And that's kind of what I'm doing. I think I'm actually stress cleaning. But we will be having some kids over for one of the Seders. So I was like, you know what? Our playroom needs to get into shape because it connects. I'll show you. This is the current state of our playroom. It connects straight into the dining room. So it's great for hosting dinners with kids, because then the kids can just like run amok. They can just run amok in the playroom while we eat dinner, and that's totally fine. But our playroom, although it might look okay because we have this nice IKEA set where everything's put away, it's actually like a disaster in there, I think. I don't even know. So I think I'm gonna get started by opening all these up and just taking everything out, seeing what we got. Okay, so it's not too bad. We've got dog number 1, dog number 2, baby. In these drawers, I opened them all up. We're actually okay. Those are all like little people and animals, some games and stuff. Like everything that's there that I left there is organized. And then this, I have one of my sons loves to just take everything from random rooms of the house and like compile it together. So this is this. So what I want to do is just separate out the pieces. Like these all belong together and just kind of get them back so that when new friends come over to play, yeah, they can more easily just get to everything and it's not a little jumbled mess. Okay, so I was putting off this process for so long, but it actually wasn't that bad. I think what helped was not having the kids around, because whenever I start something like this and they're around, then of course they want to play with everything and it just takes 10 times as long. So when I was by myself, I was able to get it done pretty quickly. Surprise, surprise. But I just like sorting the toys out every few months and putting them all back where they belong. It just helps so much for the kids to realize how much they have and kind of make it all feel new again, inspired to them. Otherwise, you know, when things are too messy, I find it hard for kids to focus and play. And yes, I know what you're all thinking, like, Marian, why aren't your kids helping with this? But this level of sorting and decluttering, I just feel is a mom job. If I try to involve them, they're going to want to keep everything. They're not going to let me throw anything away. They're going to want to keep it as it is because it's in some special arrangement. So every few months when I sort of do this deep cleansing, I do it on my own. Hopping on real quick to say I got 2 Passover items delivered from Amazon. This is a Happy Passover banner because why not? It's funny, I have one for Sukkot now, Hanukkah for sure, hold that thought, and Rosh Hashanah. And I was looking for Passover toys on Amazon. There's this one set that this one toy that I really, really want. It's the KidCraft Passover set, and it's not made anymore. KidCraft, why? Anyway, so I was looking for that, and then Amazon was suggesting like decorations and stuff, and I was like, yes, yeah. Anyways, I'll insert a picture of the banner that I got. So I got that, and then this Passover Seder plate puzzle. This is what it looks like. It's by Right Light. They make a bunch of Jewish stuff. It's pretty cute, $10. I still wish I had the KidCraft set. There are some synagogues that have it, but I think it's like running for $50, which is a lot. The original retail is probably $40, so it's not too much more of a markup. I can't decide. Should I get it, guys? All right, that's all. Those are 2 things I got. In case you're interested, I'll put the links below. Bonus clip, the other space that we cleaned is actually the garage. I was talking to you, I showed you earlier that I cleaned my car, and we actually cleaned out the whole garage. We're just doing the final sort of organizing right now, but we swept out all the dirt that just like accumulates, took some of the winter stuff out and put it in our basement, and now we're just doing some rack organization, new dog food container. I just feel like it's the perfect time of the year. You want it? To get everything organized. Okay, it's the next day, another day. I can't even remember when I last picked up my camera. And I realized I need to stop filming this vlog and actually make a part 1. Don't mind my dog running by. A part 1 and a part 2, because I have not done a lot of the Passover cleaning that I need to do. Like cleaning the actual chametz, the actual like food for Passover that you can't have in the house. I haven't finished my table. I have not gone grocery shopping. I still have so much to do, and I've already filmed so much. So I'm gonna cut it here, but first I'm gonna show you guys the all cleaned up playroom because I'm pretty proud that I did it. All right, let me show you. Okay, so just a little caveat that my kids have actually been playing in here this morning, so it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Little kitchenette set up, and then I'll open these up for anyone who likes seeing semi-organized toys. Everything has a spot and is labeled. And then on this side of the playroom, my kids were playing with this stuff over here. We got the doggy. We got all these bins nicely organized, and that is that. So thank you so much for watching part 1 of my clean with me and get ready with me for Passover, and I will come back soon, shortly, with a part 2 where I think I'm gonna do my grocery shopping, my chametz cleaning, and that sort of like prep and the final table stuff. I am getting overwhelmed with how much there is to do, but we will get it all done. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.